How to hide your date of birth on your Snapchat account. In this video, I will show you how you can hide your date of birth from your Snapchat profile. So for that, just open your Snapchat account. When you open it, just click on your profile icon, your avatar. When you are in there, on top right side, there are setting option. Just click on that setting option. Now, when you click on the setting option, at number 3, you can see there is an option called birthday. Just simply click on birthday. When you click on this, here you can see a heading with birthday party. So, when it's turned on, when your birthday will be, your friends will get a notification and they will know about your date of birth. So, if you want to hide your date of birth, turn off this birthday party. When you turn it off, then no notification will be sent to your friends on your birthday. Also, if you want that no one can know your actual date of birth, then you can also do it. Change your date of birth so that not write your original date of birth. Just write some random date of birth and no one will find your actual date of birth. So this is the two method. You can turn it off birthday party and no one will get notification, and you can change your date of birth with wrong date of birth. In this way, no one will find your actual date of birth. So this is the two ways you can turn off or hide your date of birth from your Snapchat account so that no one can know this.